Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you Alchemy factory game Unhandled exception access violation error on PC. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to modify the game launch options. You can try -dx11 or -dx12. So open Steam, go to library, then right click on Alchemy factory game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on Alchemy factory game and then select properties, and in the launch options type -dx11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the properties of the Alchemy factory game and here type -dx12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then click on manage ransomware protection. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. And then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now browse to the game installation folder. Browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Alchemy factory folder. Then select the Alchemy factory exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Then again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all app, and this time open the Alchemy factory folder, then open binaries folder, then open Win64 folder, and then select Alchemy factory Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Then go back, then click on firewall and network protection and then click on allow an app through firewall and then click on change settings and then click on allow another app and then click on browse. Now again browse to the game installation folder, browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Alchemy factory folder, and then select Alchemy factory exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked marked. Then again click on allow another app, click on browse and again browse to the game installation folder and this time open Alchemy factory folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder and then select Alchemy factory Win64 shipping exe file and add it to the list. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked marked and then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESET, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Next solution is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to the NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to the AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you are on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here. And then select the Windows operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download it. So click on this view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. So click on this agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option. So check mark custom advanced option and then hit on next and then tick mark perform a clean installation box. So check mark this perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC once and then launch the game and check. Next fix is to roll back graphic card driver. So whether you are having NVIDIA or AMD or Intel graphic card driver, just roll back the driver version, just roll back to previous version and then check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. Just go to the NVIDIA website and here enter your graphic card driver version and then select Windows operating system and then click on find. Scroll down, click on view more version and just roll back to previous version The previous version is 581.80. Just click on this view icon and then click on download, and then just install the previous version of graphic card driver, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to run the game from the game installation folder, or run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Alchemy factory game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, and then click on manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now double click the Alchemy factory exe file and then check, or right click on Alchemy factory exe file and then select run as administrator and then check. Now if that doesn't work, then open the Alchemy factory folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and then double click the Alchemy factory Win64 shipping exe file and then check. If that doesn't work, then right click on Alchemy factory Win64 shipping exe file and then select properties, and then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and then check. If that doesn't work, then you have to modify the compatibility settings. Check mark the run this program in compatibility mode for, and then select Windows 8 and then hit on apply OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, then hit on apply OK. If it's still not working, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, then hit apply OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then untick all these three boxes from the compatibility tab for the Alchemy factory Win64 shipping exe file, then hit on apply OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphics settings and open it, and then click on add desktop app, then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to the C drive, program files, x86, Steam apps, common, Alchemy factory folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, and then select Alchemy factory Win64 shipping exe file and then click on add. Now after adding it, expand it and then click on the drop down next to GPU preference and select high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the Alchemy factory game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next fix is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Alchemy factory game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, and then click on properties. Now go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is given in my video description, and once you are on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now click on repair option if you see repair option, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Then click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows update and then click on check for updates, and if you find any updates available for your Windows, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restarts, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Alchemy factory game from your PC, then restart your PC and reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then launch the game and check. So by this way you can easily solve Alchemy factory game unhandled exception access violation error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.